Hello. I thought I'd do a small video of the progress of the OLED display, status display that I'm working on. I'll soon be switching gears and moving to the menus where you set up the network and stuff. But this is what I have so far for the OLED status display on the F16V2. When you first power it up, you'll get a screen like this, and this will be the screen that displays after a timeout. Like if you haven't touched any of the buttons for a while, it will display the screen. It basically has the uptime and the IP address. So if you go to your browser and type in that IP address, and there'll be other videos that show you how to set that up, you'll get the status screen that has even more information. To show you what happens when it receives E131, I'll go through this portion of the video now. We'll set up X lights to output some unicast E131 just for the demo, and we'll direct it to the address that's on the front of the F16V2. And we'll put starting universe 5, and we'll put number of universes at we'll say 50, and hit OK. So now we've added those, and we hit save. And if we start sending it the data by clicking this button here, you'll see the F16V2 immediately shows that it's receiving, has this little twirly thing that shows it receiving E131, and it shows you the least universe that it received and the highest universe that it received. You would think that this universe here would be 5 plus 50 or 55, but because the actual FPP and its configuration page is only set up for 1 to 32. It doesn't show you, it only shows you the lowest and the highest received that has been configured for this controller. So if we were to add and make this 64 universes and hit set, you would expect to see that increase. And then you got to hit save, of course. Now you see how it increases to 54 being the last, and I believe that's what X-Lights is set up to. Yeah, X-Lights is set up to 54. So it only displayed the configured universes for this controller, the least and the most that it's been received. I'm open for suggestions. Maybe we can make it to where no matter whether it's configured or not, it displays there. I'm doing this video just to, hopefully we get some feedback and I get some feedback and we could make it better. Again, if you stop the E131, it goes back to the idle mode. And that's pretty much it. I think this is probably the most pertinent information to have on the startup screen or the idle screen or the status screen. We can add more to it. I also want to add some E131 statistics. That makes it kind of like an analyzer, where in the menu you'd go to, E131, and then another menu, statistics, and then you could page through, maybe 5 or 6 per page of the configured E131 and see the actual packet counts being incremented as it receives data. So that's something on the horizon. But let me know what you think. Okay, thank you.